Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google Analytics, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you view the traffic source to a page on your website using Google Analytics? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to see the traffic source to one of your pages in Google Analytics anyways, or GA4? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you want to know who's sending you traffic, so you can double down on that particular source. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Analytics account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Google Analytics, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, first what you want to do is you want to make sure you're working in the correct property right here. Once you've chosen the property that you want to check the traffic source for, here on the left side, you want to click on Reports. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see another menu pop open, and you want to click here on this button here, Engagement. Once you do that, you're going to see another menu pop open, and you can either click on Landing Page or Pages and Screens. So if you're looking for traffic sources to one of the landing pages, you can click here. However, if you want to see the traffic source to all your pages, you want to click here, which is normally what I do. Okay, so once you've clicked on Pages and Screens, you're going to see the traffic for your website. And what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down and you're going to see all the pages that are getting traffic right now. And what you're going to need to do is click on this little plus icon. Once you do that, you're going to see another drop-down menu, and you want to click here on Traffic Source. Once you do that, you see two options, Session Scoped and User Scoped. Usually what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here on Cross Channel under the Session Scoped. Once you do that, you're going to see another menu, and you want to click here on Source/Medium. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see all of the traffic sources to each and every one of these pages. Now, another thing I want to know is that this is automatically going to be showing the last 28 days, as you can see up here. But if you want to update that, you can go ahead and click up here. And then let's say maybe you will want to see for the last 90 days, just click there and then click on the blue apply button. Okay, here is the last 90 days. Also, you can see that it's only showing 10 rows. So usually what I'm going to do is I'm going to click right here, rows per page. I'm going to open that up and put it at 250. Okay, now I can easily scroll through and then see which pages are getting what traffic and where it's coming from. So for example, this one, I'm getting traffic from DuckDuckGo, and then the best performing page from search traffic is going to be this one right here, and it's coming from Bing. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to view the traffic source for a specific page in Google Analytics or GA4, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.